Next, Chef Dominick Ferragola.
23 years old, and I'm the sous chef at Broadway East in New York City. I've never gone to culinary school. The way I would describe my own cooking style, it's very outlandish. I like to create more of an experience for the diner. When I was 19, I was a drug addict. When I overdosed, it really crushed my mother and my sister. Ever since then, it's just been nothing but hard work and just success. When I'm not in the kitchen, I like to do a lot of painting and just using my whole body. Generally, it's nude. It's very therapeutic for me, as well as my cooking for releasing my pain and anger. I am very competitive, and I'm definitely going to be the one to win.
5 minutes, chefs.
Excuse me.
Hi, my son.
Sorry, Mom.
No problem, kid. Dominic is like a tornado.
I bend over, grab my knife. Are you kidding me? I cut my finger, and blood's going everywhere.
Dominick cut himself very badly. He's dripping blood.
Kid, you need a nurse?
Yeah, just go to this like Band-Aid. That's fine. Come on, can we do it quick? Can we do it quick? Quick. I really can't believe this is happening right now. I came here, thought I was gonna take all these old people, and man, I'm going down right now.
This is a bad cut, I think. He's definitely not gonna finish now.
I'm bleeding out over here.
Is he okay?
I really can't believe this is happening right now. With my finger bandaged up, I have to get back to my station and try to get my appetizer rolling, or I'm gonna be out already.
You are okay, kid?
I'm all right, Mom.
Way to go, bro.
I'm rendering the chorizo to get some of that flavor out of it, throwing my onions, put in the black beans and some spices, and just go with it. Got some time. I run to the rack to grab my plates. I'm picking out what I want, seeing what suits the dish.
Dominick has basically touched every plate in the pantry.
Sorry.
That's coming out of your check.
Just broke a plate. I cut myself in the last round. The judges probably think I'm a disaster. I'm flying around like crazy, man. Like these old people just really need to back away. The pineapple salsa, just dice up some red pepper, cilantro, a little mint, lime juice. Dude, this is Florida, bro. Right here, man.
He's killing me.
I really feel David can be intimidated. He's old, I'm young.
I'm not even gonna call Chef Dominick because he's really a sous chef. I kind of think he lucked out first round, and he's got a lot to learn.